Hi beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, I want to share with you how I make this hair using. As you can see, I already gone far making it already. Just take out your attachment, cross it into two parts, bring out your hair, hold it. Take the other side of the attach and cross it. Make sure the down is very tight so it won't loosen. And when after finish doing it, you just have to divide it into three and plait it just like you're plaiting, making your Bob Marley. You don't have to finish it, just make it halfway and drop it. I'm going to do the same with this. Now when you are done, you just have to take the two hair and cross it together, and now you're going to plait just like you're making your twin stick. And when doing it, make sure it's very tight so it come out nice and beautiful. Just twist the two together. That is how you're going to do it all through. Now I'm going to repeat the same process. through with the hair. Now I'm going to tie it in a little. I'm going to pack it little by little. So, and while doing this, make sure your hot water is ready. You're going to make it like this. You just have to put them all once. No, just tie it little by little to make sure the hot water goes through it very well. Use your towel to dry it. Dry the water out of the hair. The hair is ready. I'm going to remove the band. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell beside, so whenever I upload a new video, you get notification of every video I upload. And if you subscribe, thanks very much. God bless you. Don't forget to also drop down your comments, like, and also share with your friends. Now we are done with the hair. So the next thing to do now is to loosen the hair. You know, when we are making it, I told you that when doing this, make sure it's very tight. So when you lose it, you have your coils. You have a very beautiful coils. So we're going to open it, divide it into two, just as we make the two. You know when we're making it, we bring the two together to twist. Now we are going to open it, and that is how we are going to open them all through. All of them, or we're going to open it. You see? Wow. Guys, how do you see this hair? To me, it's really beautiful. I love it. I so much love this hairstyle. Wow. I really love this hairstyle.